Ready to escape into nature for a bit? I am at Carpenter Lake Nature Preserve, and honestly, the vibes here are just unmatched. Today was all about that golden hour magic and finding these hidden trails. Against the summer sky. There is something so peaceful about walking through the wildflowers and these giant boulders. Ever wonder what millions of years of geology actually looks like in one park? Today I'm exploring this massive rock garden, from ancient granite to actual stromatolites. The textures here are just incredible. Look at these monoliths standing tall against the summer sky. There is something so peaceful about walking through the wildflowers and these giant boulders. I found the coolest hidden gems at this park today. I started on this sunny path surrounded by beautiful wildflowers. I even found this incredible stick hut that felt like a secret hideout. Keep your eyes peeled because the wildlife here is everywhere if you're quiet. I spotted this stunning purple butterfly just hanging out in the sun. The forest is so alive today. Check out this woodpecker working on the bark. Between the light on the leaves and the lakeside breeze, it's total therapy. Nature really is the best reset. Finishing by the lake was perfect. It's so still and just like a mirror. Enter Lake Nature Preserve, and honestly, the vibes here are just unmatched. Check out this little guy blending in. From hidden herons to butterflies in the sun, there is life everywhere. Sometimes I just need to look up at the canopy or watch the ripples on the water to reset. Wait, did you see that? Something is definitely lurking right under the surface. Between the light on the leaves and the lakeside breeze, it's total therapy.